Are you a woman in the military thinking about transitioning to civilian life? In this video, I will address how and why you need to create a vision board so you are better equipped to make your dreams a reality. Hi, I'm Kara, and this channel is all about helping you learn how to transition out of the military into civilian working mom life successfully. If you are new here, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. I do release a new video every week that will help you reach your full potential, even if you're a military woman juggling it all. If you want to be successful in life, you have to know what it is you want and set objectives and goals as to how you're going to get there. Without this clarity, you will likely find yourself doing the same thing over and over again. Ever seen the movie Groundhog's Day? Expecting different results every year without some major effort on your part will get you the exact same results you get year in, year out. Vision boards have gained a lot of popularity over the last several years and can be a great tool to help you in reaching your goals. By creating a vision board, you are putting your goals and dreams out into the universe and manifesting what you would like to achieve in the next year. Looking at these visual images daily will help you make your dreams a reality. Why is this important, you might ask? Our brains have what's called a reticular activating system. And what the reticular activating system does is it connects our subconscious brain with our conscious brain. When we consciously put our goals and dreams on a vision board and say with conviction what we are going to achieve, notice that I said going to achieve, not hoping to. The reticular activating system kicks into high gear and helps you filter out what your intentions are. The conscious mind is going to bring that awareness into your subconscious mind so that you can see, hear, and understand what you need to do to make those dreams on your vision board a reality. In other words, by creating a vision board, you are telling your brain what to focus on. The first step in creating a vision board is to explore your values. Ask yourself questions like, what matters to you most? Who is it that you want to be? How do you want to spend your time? Who do you want to be spending it with? As you are making your vision board, you are going to want to keep these values in the forefront of your mind. Now that you have these values in the forefront of your mind, it is time for you to explore your goals. It's important to identify goals that you are not just passionate about, but that you are obsessed with achieving. For example, I became obsessed with the idea of owning my own coaching business while I was still serving in the military. I didn't just dream about it, but I became obsessed with learning everything I could about how to build my own business. I invested in programs, personal and business coaches, and surrounded myself with like-minded people who had similar goals and aspirations. Because I had the vision of where I wanted to be, it was easy to make the decision to separate from the military when the opportunity presented itself. And here I am today on the other side, living my dream life. I used to help my clients identify goals by making them SMART. Maybe you have heard of SMART goals before. You might have even heard it from me. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Today, I'm going to tell you to do something entirely different. Throw SMART goals out the window and adopt the 10X mentality. The 10X rule was developed by Grant Cardone. In this book, Cardone says to put in 10X the effort that everyone else is, and you will surpass your goals by leaps and bounds. Excuse me. For example, let's say you want to grow your presence online. Most of us are told to make a post every day, but to get extraordinary results, post at least 10 times per day. Sounds bold, right? Well, take a look at Grant Cardone's social media account, and you will see his 10X effort is paying dividends. Now that you have clarity on your values and goals, it's time to complete your vision board for the year. Find visual images, drawings, words of what it is you want to achieve in life. It could be images of a car you want to drive, places you want to vacation, awards you want to win. The sky's really the limit, so don't hold yourself back and play it safe. Dream big, my friends, or as Grant Cardone would say, 10X, baby. On my vision board, I have pictures of a Caribbean beach and of Disney World, 2 vacations I am going to take my family on. I have a picture of a Tesla because that will be the next car I own. I have Pinterest pictures of how we are going to remodel our house. Finally, I have a picture of 1,000 subscribers because I'm going to grow my YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers in the next year. Hint, hint, please don't forget to subscribe. Next, put these images on whatever type of backdrop suits your fancy. It could be a poster board, chalkboard, corkboard, a virtual backdrop. It really doesn't matter. Don't get caught up in how it looks. There isn't a right way to do it. Just make it your own. What matters most is that your vision board is in a place where you can look at it every day. Want to kick it up a notch? Write down what's on your vision board and why you want it. Record yourself reading it and listen to it every morning whenever you get up. I promise you this will be the best time investment you can make in the morning because let's face it, that social morning scroll isn't doing anything. I love to hear how your vision boards are coming alive, so be sure to share down in the comments. As I always say, dream the possible. Remember, if you dream the possible, you can make anything happen. For that reason, I'll see you in the next video.